Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Gerber Pledge is probably one of the most versatile and reliable knives on the market, boasting a sleek design and robust construction that makes it a top contender for everyday carry and outdoor adventures alike. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or simply looking for a dependable tool for daily tasks, this knife offers a compelling blend of performance, durability, and aesthetic appeal that's hard to beat. Its balanced weight and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable handling, while the premium materials used in its construction promise longevity and resilience in various conditions. Number 5. Gerber Gear Quadrant Clip Folding Knife. This folding knife is built to last with its durable stainless steel blade and sturdy frame lock. It's designed for everyday carry and hunting, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. Opening the blade is a breeze with its finger flipper. The secure frame lock keeps it steady when you need it most, and its slim profile fits comfortably in your pocket. This lightweight knife is perfect for camping, cutting boxes, or as part of your survival kit. It's an indispensable tool for your outdoor gear collection. Measuring just 4 inches when closed, this knife is incredibly compact and lightweight. It's an essential addition to your survival gear and outdoor tool collection. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, you can rely on the quality and durability of this essential everyday carry gear. Gerber ensures it will be there when you need it. What we like. This knife offers a unique bamboo handle for a natural feel. Its flipper opening ensures quick deployment. If you appreciate natural materials and a smooth opening action, this is a great choice for your everyday carry. What people say. The faucet has a sleek, modern design that complements my bathroom. Installation was straightforward, and the instructions were clear. The water flow is smooth and consistent, and the handle is easy to operate. Number 4. Gerber Gear Prybrid Utility Knife. This is your ultimate everyday carry companion. It features an exchangeable utility blade with a slide lock, along with multiple tools like a wire stripper, flat drivers, a nail puller, and a pry bar. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this lightweight tool is built to last. Its locking feature ensures the blades are protected when not in use, making it reliable for any situation. Experience versatile use with its dual-ended design, combining a pry bar and utility knife. It effortlessly cuts through various materials and fits compactly wherever you need it. With a 1.75-inch blade and 4.25-inch overall length, it's perfectly sized for everyday tasks. It weighs just 2.9 ounces and is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Looking for the ideal gift? This makes a perfect present for dads, outdoor lovers, and adventurers for any occasion. What we like. This tool is an 8-in-1 multi-tool, featuring a pry bar and retractable utility blade. It's incredibly versatile for various tasks. If you need a compact solution for quick fixes, opening packages, or light prying, this is the perfect companion. What people say. The Gerber Pledge is a great everyday carry knife with a sleek design and a sharp blade. It features a smooth opening mechanism and a secure lockup, making it reliable for various tasks. The knife is lightweight and comfortable to hold, with an ergonomic handle that provides a good grip. Number 3. Gerber Gear Armbar Slim Drive Multitool. Meet your new everyday carry essential. This multi-tool includes a sharp blade, a versatile driver with bits, and a handy bottle opener, ready for any task. Designed for ease of use, its large tabs allow for one-handed operation. It's perfect for your daily carry, with a bottle opener always within reach. This compact multi-tool is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, tradespeople, and anyone needing a reliable tool. It's a great addition to your camping, work, or fishing gear. Its lightweight and compact design make it perfect for everyday carry. It fits easily into your pocket without adding bulk. We stand by our quality. This tool is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring its reliability for all your adventures. What we like. This multi-tool boasts an extension bit driver for added versatility and a convenient bottle opener. Its slim profile makes it easy to carry. If you're a tradesman or someone who frequently needs to drive screws and open bottles on the go, this tool is designed for you. What people say. The spout height is great for filling tall pots and pans. The pull-down sprayer has multiple spray functions, which is very convenient. Installation was straightforward, and it feels very sturdy once mounted. Number 2. Gerber Gear Zilch Pocket Knife. Introducing the Gerber Gear Zilch, a pocket knife designed for those who value both utility and style. It's packed with features that elevate your everyday carry. Discover unexpected features that set this knife apart. Its exposed barrel construction, textured handle, and unique spine offer a distinct look and feel. Personalize your experience with its removable and movable thumb stud, allowing you to customize deployment to your preference. It adapts to how you use it. Keep it secure on your journey with 2 carrying options. Choose between a convenient pocket clip or utilize the integrated lanyard hole for versatile attachment. This makes an ideal gift for dads, outdoor enthusiasts, and adventurers. It's a thoughtful present for Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or as a groomsman gift. What we like. This knife stands out with its stylish design and customizable thumb stud for deployment preference. It also offers dual carrying options with a clip or lanyard hole. If you value aesthetics and personalization in your EDC, this knife will surely impress. What people say. The Gerber Pledge is a great knife for everyday carry, with a slim profile and a sharp blade. It features a flipper tab for easy one-handed opening and a reversible pocket clip for ambidextrous carry. The G10 handle provides a secure grip, even when wet. Number 1. Gerber Gear Pledge Pocket Knife. Introducing the Gerber Gear Pledge Pocket Knife. This knife is crafted for durability and everyday use, featuring a stainless steel blade and a textured grip for secure handling. It boasts a plain-edge stainless steel blade designed to last. The secure liner lock and reversible thumb stud ensure safety and ease of use. Designed to be your reliable companion, it fits easily into your pocket and daily routine. Its slim design makes it convenient to carry anywhere. This tool is perfect for a variety of tasks, whether you're at the worksite, out camping, or simply need a reliable everyday carry item. With a 3.7-inch blade and an 8.2-inch overall length, it's a substantial yet lightweight tool. It's backed by the Gerber Guarantee, a limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This knife features a generous 3.7-inch full-panel blade for robust cutting. Its textured grip ensures secure handling, and the slim profile makes it comfortable for daily carry. If you're looking for a reliable, full-sized blade in a slim and easy-to-carry package, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Gerber Pledge is a great knife for everyday carry. It's lightweight and has a good blade. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.